What are you doing? Madeline, are you ready to blow bubbles?
Yeah.
You are. Come here, let's blow them. Okay.
Bubbles.
You want, here, Mommy will blow bubbles at you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Scoot back a little bit. Come here, come here, come here. Not that far. More bubbles?
Yeah.
Come here.
Baby.
I think you're going too far away. Here. Here, blow bubbles right here.
Bubbles. Mama, bubbles.
More bubbles? Okay, come here. Madeline, blow bubbles. Isu's going to the potty. Madeline, more bubbles.
Mama bubbles. Mama bubbles.
Come here, more bubbles. You ready?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
come get him. Where'd you go? Okay, Madeline, here they are. Ready? You missed them. Did Rizzo go back in the house? Okay, one more bubbles. Here you go. You ready? Yeah. Ready? 1. Madeline, stop, 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 stop.
2,
1.
2, 3.
Come get him.
Two bubbles.
You want him again?
No.
Okay, bubbles. 1.
2, 3.
Rizzo, be careful. Be careful. Don't knock her down. All right, no more bubbles, okay?
No. Mama bubbles.
You want more bubbles? Okay, if you want more bubbles, Mommy will do it. But if you don't want them, then...
Mama bubbles.
Okay, you ready? Uh-oh, did they go away?
Mama bubbles.
One more bubbles. Here you go.
Bubbles. I found one.
Pop.
Mama bubbles.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Madeline. Lots of bubbles. You missed them. They're all over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A house.
Did they go in the house? They might have.
Mama bubbles. A house.
Did they go in the house?
A bubble house.
Bubbles in the house. That's so silly.
Mama bubbles.
All right, we're done.